This video instruction shows how to use the singing lesson interface in the CAVS Karaoke player to teach singing or practice your own. Here we demonstrate using the JB199.3 Premier unit. The same procedure applies to CAVS Karaoke players, including PlayCDG KJ Deluxe 64LT program, CAVS Karaoke Laptop, CAVS Touchscreen Karaoke, and CAVS All-in-One player. First, to enable the singing lesson interface in the player, go to the Control panel, followed by Tools and Setting. Check the option Enable Singing Lesson Interface and click OK. Next, go to the 3D Customer Interface and you'll notice a newly added Favorite button at the top. Click on any song such as one found under the title. You'll see a new option to add the song to Favorite. Click on Favorite to add the songs to the Favorite playlist. Next, go to the Favorite by clicking on the Favorite button at the top. You can see the 4 songs we just selected. Type in a name for the list, such as Class Early Birds. Click on Save. You can continue to add the songs. You can also remove the songs by clicking on a song and selecting Delete. After the changes, don't forget to save. Using the same procedure, we can make multiple favorite playlists such as Class Fiesta and Class Night Owls. We fast forward this section. Having saved a favorite list, click on the New button to start a new one. Also, when there are multiple favorite playlists, you can click on the Load button to show all the saved favorite playlists and select one to display. When done making the favorite playlist, click on the Control button. This is the singing lesson interface designed for teaching. Select the favorite playlist by pressing the down arrow. Here we select the class Early Birds. Next, select the song in the playlist. We select Against All Odds and click on the play button. The progress bar will begin to move across the timeline. Note that we can drag the progress bar to any point of the song. Also, at any point, we can place a pointer by clicking on 1 through 6 pointer buttons. The green colored pointer button will turn pink and a matching marker will appear below the progress bar. Now click on the marker to bring the song to the marker's position. To cancel the pointer, click on the pointer button again. The marker will disappear and the button will turn back to the green from pink. You can also use the AB loop to mark any particular interval. Simply click on the A button to mark the beginning of the loop, then click on B to mark the end of the loop. Next, click on the Loop button to activate the loop, repeating the song between A and B. You can turn off the loop simply by pressing the Loop button again. You can also remove the A and B markers by clicking on the A and B buttons. Next, having placed all the pointers and AB markers, click on the Save button to save your work. You will see the asterisk mark in front of the song to indicate that your markers are saved. Next time when you pull up the song, the saved pointers and markers will appear also. Other functions in the singing lesson interface are pitch control, tempo control, and voice cancel. The pitch and tempo controls are self-explanatory. Adjust the pitch to match your or your student's singing range. Adjust the tempo for the class, perhaps starting slow at the beginning and then turning up as the lesson progresses. Voice cancel is to select which channel, left, right, or both of the song to play. Note that this is relevant only for the multiplex karaoke songs, which have lead singer's voice in the right channel. So selecting the left channel, you can eliminate the singing voice for the background music only. Selecting the right channel, you can listen and learn from the embedded singing voice. Again, this function is meaningful only when playing the multiplex karaoke songs. For any questions on the multiplex songs or the singing lesson interface, please email to techsupport@cavsusa.com. This ends the video instruction on singing lesson interface.